This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the page where you'll resume reading. Choose a flat area near the text margin so the bookmark sits securely. Once done, check the metal for sharp edges and smooth any small burrs because that prevents page snags. Next, slide the thin edge between pages gently, not forcing. You want the clip to rest against the paper, distributing pressure evenly so the spine keeps its shape and pages lie flat. Now you fine-tune placement. Slide the metal bookmark toward the book gutter until it sits flush with the text without bending pages, because proper alignment prevents tears. Make sure to engage any clip or magnetic closure to lock the marker in place, then close the cover briefly to test stability. If the bookmark protrudes or catches the cover, reposition slightly or tuck a fraction deeper, and make sure the metal doesn't press into the spine when the book is closed. Finish by verifying the bookmark stays put when you reposition or carry the book. Give it a gentle shake to confirm. If you notice light scratches or tiny burrs, smooth edges carefully with fine emery cloth to prevent future snags. And if pages crumple under the metal, slide the bookmark out and insert a thin paper shim beneath it, then reposition. This reduces pressure and protects page corners. If problems persist, choose a thinner spot in the book or a different style of bookmark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.